Hey, you get your quiz ready, but now you want to apply conditional logic on your quiz. Why is it very important to apply conditional logic? Because based on the intent and on the answer of your customer, you want to show them some question to ask them specifically what they are looking for, or based on the other answer, you don't want to ask them some particularity. This is how it works with conditional logic, and I will show you directly on my screen how it works. Here's the first question, for example, where I will apply conditional logic based on the first answer. So, who are you buying this jewelry for? Myself, my partner, a friend. And my second question is which family member. So what I want, if someone on the first question respond a family member, I want to ask which family member. But if they respond one of the three of the first question, I don't want to ask which family member. So here is how it works. I go at the end of the quiz and there is a section called conditional logic just here. You can add a rule, and here is how it works. You select the question you want to apply conditional logic. So who are you buying this jewelry for? It's the right question. Is one of, and I will select the answer. If someone select myself, my partner, or a friend, I want them to skip the question, and you select which question you want they skip. So here, which family member. Okay? So very easy, very simple. Save it, and I will show you directly how it works on the store. And here is the first question. So if I respond myself, as you can see, I go on the second question. Which type of jewelry are you looking for? Ring, necklace, etc. But if I answer a family member, I will go which family member, my mom, my dad, etc. Okay? So here's the first one, skip question, very easy. The second conditional logic can be jump on a question. Let's say I want, if someone respond here, my sister, don't want to show question 3 about what kind of jewelry, or question 4 about gold or silver. I want directly show them what is your budget. Okay, it's up to you to choose if you want to jump questions, so it will skip all these questions over here. This is how it works. I can add a rule, and I will say which family member, for example, is one of my sisters. I will apply to jump to question what is your budget. Okay, so I will say save it here. Let's go back to our shop. So here is the first question. Who are you buying this jewelry for? I would say friend. So I can go through all the questions. As you can see, here is a special question. So I will show you after. As it's multiple choice, I can select all of them and select it, and I can just go over there. And here I go to the budget. Okay. So here we will see what happened when I say a family member, and I say my sisters. I go directly on your budget. Okay. So just through. If I say my dad, I go to the next question. Question 3, what type of jewelry? But if I say my sister, I jump all the question and I going through the last one directly on the budget. Okay? As you can see, conditional logic can be very tricky. You can also put some condition on condition. Like for example, if someone responds this and this, I want to apply this rule. Or you can say, for example, if someone respond this or respond this, I want to apply this rule. It's completely up to you to use the quiz as you want. Put the right question, right moment for the right visitors. Conditional logic give you all the assets and all the possibilities. It's all done for me. If you have any question, just let me know. I will be very happy to assist you. See you soon.